warm welcome to everybody. Why is there a need for such a course? Different forms of digitalization, such as artificial intelligence, have already changed our life and will further change it in the future. Now, law often lags behind in that regard and is not able to offer adequate solutions for these challenges and questions. That is why, in an increasing way, values and ethical principles are invoked in order to provide these adequate answers not only within the EU, but also worldwide. Let me very briefly introduce myself. My name is Markus Frischut, Jean Monnet Professor and Study Coordinator EU Law at MCI, and I will be your lecturer for this course. What is the basic structure and format of this course? This MOOC, Massive Open Online course, titled EU Values and Digitalization, addresses students and interested persons without a specific pre-knowledge. That is why this course is based on pre-readings offered in advance. It starts with a one-day kick-off meeting introducing the basics, which we will then need for the upcoming sessions. This kick-off will be face-to-face at MCI for those studying here and will be available as videos in short micro-lectures for those not on site. After this kick-off, we will have 5 webinars, online sessions via the conferencing software Adobe Connect for both students at MCI as well as those interested persons abroad. The first webinar will focus on new challenges of self-driving cars. The second one on questions of artificial intelligence, AI, new technologies as well as digitalization at large. We will then see which values and ethical principles are or should be invoked in order to deal with these new challenges. And we will also look at other implications of these values for companies, such as compliance rules and values. So, to summarize, after one day face-to-face kick-off, respectively videos, we are going to discuss all these issues online in webinars. We will then finish again with a face-to-face meeting. What do you need to prepare in advance? All necessary information, everything you need to know, as well as pre-readings, will be made available to you via Sakai, MCI's learning management system. You will have to prepare these pre-readings before each session. Now you might be curious how you will be graded. MCI students will be graded based on their presentations in this last face-to-face session. Participants outside MCI will write a reflection paper on the very same content. What should you keep in mind? This will be a very interactive course and I warmly invite you to always actively engage in the discussions. Both during the face-to-face as well as during the online sessions, you will have the opportunity to address your questions and make your contributions. Therefore, besides a stable internet connection, you will need a functioning headset in order to contribute actively. As you can see, this course aims at raising awareness of both legal and ethical challenges by taking a holistic approach in the discussion and reflection of values in this context. For further information on this MOOC, please find information on the website of this chair as well as on Sakai. I'm very much looking forward to discuss these topics with you both face-to-face as well as online.